see you later. Let's go into the next interview here. Here we find maybe the greatest musician in this whole yard, this whole lawn, even. Daniel Coppola, the guitarist for the band Lawn, working the merch table. Pan the camera up to me, real quick. Up to me. He's working the merch table here. Let's get a few words from the guitarist of Lawn, Daniel.
What's up, guys? This is our merch table, and we are gonna play a great set and sell some awesome merch. So check it out.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. And then hard cut here.
Look at this.